Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial on Link2Quotes. So I have a client that added 2 new team members to Link2Quotes, and my client had been using Link2Quotes for some time and had a lot of quotes in there. And as I looked into their account after adding those 2 members, I realized the new members could see all the quotes my client had done over time. So it occurred to me, maybe they don't want employees or other salespeople to see quotes. That makes sense. You know, if you're a sales manager, maybe you don't want your staff to see your quotes. So to address this issue, you can make quotes private. And let me show you how you do that. So I have an existing quote right here, and I'm going to click on the edit icon right there next to that quote. And I want to draw your attention up here where it says hide from other users. I can check that off. Now this is a quote by quote case. Having stated that, I'm going to uncheck that. I'm going to just close this and take you to a broader way to do this. So when you're in Link2Quotes, if you go to settings right here, I'm going to click on settings. Once you get into the settings, I want to draw your attention to personalization tab. And I'm going to come down to the bottom and you'll notice it says hide quotes from other users. So if you have sensitive quotes, maybe you're the business owner or the sales manager and you don't want others to see your quotes, you can set this as a privacy option regarding the quotes. So just a little bit of information on making quotes private. My name is Tony Holowitz. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach back to me. Thank you so very much. Have a great day. Bye now.